Hey guys, this is Akshay. Welcome back to my channel, which is Science with Sam. So today let's do the next part of organic chemistry, which is alkenes. So as I've told you before, in the alkenes or any other subsequent subparts of organic chemistry, we'll be doing about the homologous series of the respective type of compound in short, and then we'll be doing the methods of preparation as well as chemical properties in detail. Apart from that, the physical properties and then your uses will not be done in the video. Only the most important physical properties, if present, or most important uses if there in the syllabus, will be mentioned in this video. So if you want it for your purpose of your exams in school, you can go through such uses as well as physical properties, and if you have any doubts regarding that, you can leave comments below. So let's start with the first topic of this subpart, which is homologous series. So every homologous series will have a general formula, so that it will be easy for us to generate any type of formula depending on the number of carbon atoms. So like I've told you before, for alkanes the general formula is CnH2n plus 2, but then for alkenes the general formula for this homologous series will be CnH2n. But then there is one difference here. So now the difference is that N cannot be substituted as 1 in alkenes. It is just in alkanes where you substitute N as 1 and then get the first type of compound in the alkane series as CH4. But in alkenes, N is always 2. So CnH2n will give you C2H4, which is supposed to be your first compound in your alkane series. So it will be C2H4. So this is known as ethane. So this is very unique because this is the first type of compound in your alkenes homologous series. So one more thing which is important in this is the common name, which is very frequently asked either in the form of MCQs or in the form of conversion questions, which you'll be doing in your next question answer session. So this C2H4, which is ethane, has a common name which is known as ethylene. So this common name is known as ethylene. So this is very important to know, though the common name of many other compounds are supposed to be given in your textbook. So apart from that, you can easily generate other formulae depending on the general formula. So C3H6, because C3H8 is an alkene. So it will be C3H6, so C4H8, and then C4H8, and then it will be C5H10, and then it'll go on and on and on depending on the number of carbon atoms. So they might ask you an MCQ question which says C3H8 is an alkene, alcohol, or olefins. So normally this question is wrong in one way. The reason is because alkenes and olefins are supposed to be the same thing. So that's the first mistake in this. So because of that, even though the right option is alkanes, the mistake in this question is that alkenes and olefins both are the same. Because one of the board exams they asked this question where the options were wrong because two options are the same thing. So you should always know even the trivial names for all these alkanes and alkenes homologous series. As I've mentioned in the first question answer session, alkanes has a trivial name which is known as paraffins, while alkenes have a trivial name which is known as olefins. So it's very important to know that also, because they can also ask you a question like pick out the olefins out of the following, or write the general formula for olefins. So the general formula for olefins will be CnH2n.